Hi friends, today we are looking at an interesting problem from number theory which is about prime numbers. Given a few numbers, we are asked to identify which of them is a prime number. In this question, the numbers are 3 to the power of 94 plus 1, 5 to the power of 12 plus 1, 7 to the power of 500 plus 1. These are the three numbers given and we need to identify which one of them is prime. Or if none of them prime, the last option would be the correct choice. To do this problem, there is a simple result in number theory which we need to know. Let me step you through that simple result. The result goes like this: a to the power of n plus b to the power of n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. That means this number might be divisible by a plus b if n is even, but when n is odd, it is always divisible. This is the result to be applied in the question here. Let me take the first one. 3 to the power 94 plus 1. You may write it like this. See, here the power given is not an odd number, it's an even number. But you can convert that into an odd number this way. Let me write 3 to the power 94 as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 47 plus 1. This is equal to 3 to the power 2 the whole to the power of 47 plus 1. This 1 may be written as 1 to the power of 47. It wouldn't make any difference if you multiply 1 by itself any number of times. This term I have brought into from here using this law of index, which says a to the power mn equal to a to the power n the whole to the power of n. This is the rule I have applied here. Now look at this term and compare this to the result discussed before. So you can see 47 in place of n, which is an odd number. So this number is clearly divisible by a plus b. A is in this case 3 power 2 and b is what? 1. Can you see this? If you compare this to this, a is 3 squared, b is 1 and n is 47. So this number is clearly divisible by 3 squared plus 1, which is actually 10. So if the given number is divisible by 10, what does that indicate? The given number is not a prime number, because prime number, as you know, is a number divisible by itself and 1. No other number will divide it, or no other number is a factor of a prime number. So in this case, the first choice is not a prime number. Now take the second choice, which is 5 to the power 12 plus 1. We are extending the same logic. We will write it like this: 5 to the power of 4, the whole to the power of 3. Using this result, this is nothing but 12. 4 multiplied by 3. And 1 I will write as 1 power 3. Now it's in the form a to the power n, b to the power n, where a is 5 to the power of 4 and b is 1. And this is divisible by which number? A plus b, which is 5 to the power of 4 plus 1. We don't need to waste time simplifying this. This is a number and you're finding a number which will divide the given number, which shows the given number is again not a prime number. So the second one also is not a prime number. Now look at the third one, which is 7 to the power of 500 plus 1. This let me write like this: 7 to the power of 100, the whole to the power of 5 plus 1 to the power of 5. See, you can split it in many ways. We need to get an odd number here, that's all. This is not the only way to rewrite the given number. We are actually trying to convert this into a format which will be same as the result given. So using this result, this is also again divisible by 7 to the power of 100 plus 1. And the last one, and the third one also is not a prime because of that number being divisible by this number. So what is the final observation? None of the numbers given is a prime number. Rather, the last one will be the correct choice. So what is the final observation? None of the numbers given in the question is a prime number. So we conclude that none of them is the correct answer. So the last choice, none of them is the correct choice. So basically you should know what a prime number is. And the second one, the simple result like a to the power n plus b to the power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. That's all. I hope you have understood the solution correctly. If you have, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with others who you think might benefit from this. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting many more interesting problems of this kind. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.